Hey guys, you actually want to go into tech, but you don't know where in particular in tech you're supposed to go to, or rather, what part of tech you should actually focus on. And if you're watching this video, lucky you, because I'm already into tech and I've been doing it for years now. So I'm actually going to break down a lot of things for you guys. So first of all, things you should actually consider before going into tech. One, I try to consider your environment, like the environment number one. Is it conducive for this particular type of thing? Some people want to actually go into tech. You want to like now you want to go into tech in something like robotics or AI, and you have a noisy background. That's not going to work. Or you want to actually go into tech and you actually want to do coding. It's definitely not going to work for you if you actually have a noisy background because while doing those stuff, you actually need to focus. Focus, you need a quiet environment like mine, and a very conducive one. Someone you can actually relax while you work. So if you know you don't have that kind of environment, you shouldn't be involving yourself in those type of things. Up to the next one. So one, you should also consider your finance. Two, you consider the benefits actually. If you actually learn this particular thing, what am I getting from it? What are the chances of making the kind of money I want from it? What are the chances of actually landing a gig on this particular field? What are the chances of getting a job on this particular field? Do you get what I'm trying to say right now? So, like, basically, it's more like the possibility of you getting a job should be considered. Like, consider it very well. And most times we don't do that. And thirdly, our advice, please go into something you enjoy. Some people like I went into coding. I learned coding for 2 years and I still don't know how to code. I still can't do that. It is because you are not actually enjoying it. Me speaking, I learned 6 different courses. Believe it or not, 6 different courses. I learned graphic design, web development, film and audio editing, networking, cybersecurity, and digital marketing. So each and every single course, I enjoyed them. That's why whenever you ask me questions on them, whenever you bring a topic about them, I am actually feeling hyped to jump into it because I actually enjoy it and it's something I like to do. So when you're actually saying things like that, I'm like, you don't know this, you don't know that because I enjoy it. And the truth about it is like when you don't enjoy things and you try to like jump into them and do those things, basically it's become difficult. It's like a whole different thing. It's like they are telling you one plus one is two, and the next thing that comes to head is one plus one must be Chinese. It sounds difficult to you because you are not actually in the mood, not the type of other type of that in the mood like to study that particular subject or that particular course. You understand what I'm trying to say? It's not something you build interest in. It's just something you picked because you actually want something to pick, which is one of the biggest mistake most people make. And you should know this by now. Don't do things like that. So I'm going to give you some recommendation. If you are somebody that actually has a lot of time and you literally, when I mean you enjoy being on your desktop, your laptop, I will recommend web development, programming, or data analysis. So that's if you enjoy them. These topics, these courses I'm actually listing out for you right now are high paying courses. I'm not just saying it because they are common or not. They're actually high paying wherever you are. If you like being in Zambeza Forest, these courses are really valuable. So when you're actually a data analyst, when you're actually a web developer or application software builder or whatever, as long as it has to do with building analysis, it is a high paying job. Just know that. Secondly, cyber security. Be it in your current country, in the whatever country you want to travel to, wherever you plan on running to, cyber security is very important. It is an essential part of our economy. So you see that particular course, cyber security, it is really, really, really important because you need people to protect data that are being saved. You need people to actually hack into data that are being saved. Either way, one way or another, cybersecurity is important, either you agree or not. Now, networking. Obviously, with the name, you should know what how important it is already. Networking, also known as CCNA. So it's a very big body I think probably if you have been researching about tech, you should know what they call Cisco. Cisco is a very big body. So when you are learning CCNA, you are going to find a lot of things inside of it. It's a very broad topic. It covers IP address. Even most of the chips coming out currently now, they are talking about the IPv6, and the chips they said they were actually inventing, which I'm not actually sure, but I literally heard it. They were actually inventing a chip. I think that yeah, something like that. But let's skip that. That's for another topic. My point is that these are high-paying jobs. You should actually jump on this year if you're actually planning to go into tech. But if you know you're not planning to go into tech, you just want to learn a skill you can make petty money from, then you can go for graphic design. That's fine. But if you actually want to learn a petty skill that can actually fetch you good money, I would say film and audio editing. There are a lot of upcoming artists right now, and there are a lot of events, there are a lot of parties, a lot of shows that are currently going on. And you are going to make a lot of money from it when you actually learn these skills because there are going to be people asking you, are you vacant? I have something to edit. Are you vacant? I want to edit this. Are you vacant? I want to do this. Same goes for graphic design. Are you free? I want to design this. Are you this? So it's basically those are petty skills you can actually learn. I'm calling them petty because I actually learned two of them, and basically it has been a lot of help when I was actually like coming up and trying to like save up enough to actually go for bigger things. But currently, I will call them petty skills because they don't really. I could literally do graphic for a month and also do film and audio editing for a month, and I'll get just one web development job that's going to cover up all I've made for the whole month on graphic and the whole month on film and audio editing. You understand what I'm trying to say? So like there are different pays on different skills. So, but my point is that you actually go for something you like, something you enjoy, and something you want. And I think basically with that, you should know what to actually pick. And there are lots of courses out there. I can actually list all of them on my video. But if you actually need more info and more guidance on what to do and how to do it, kindly leave a comment, like, share this video, and remember to subscribe to my channel. And I'll actually reply to whatever comments you have down there. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Peace out.